You are going to love the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.